Hi everybody, Rael from Nozzle here. So the next tab is the what we call purchase analysis tab. And this measures what people buy next or what people buy together in the same order. This is the only tab where you have to select an individual ASIN as opposed to a category or doing it at a brand level. So I've selected an individual ASIN here at the top. And given that somebody first buys this ASIN, so it's going to be their first order with you, and this is the product that they first buy from you, what is it that they buy next? And you can see over here, of the people that bought twice after first buying this product, 32% of them bought the same product. But actually, if you look at it the other way around, which is to say 68% of them actually landed up buying something else. And that's very, very encouraging. If they're buying the same ASIN and it's actually a low percentage, like 32, typically we would see perhaps even 60, 70% buying the same ASIN again. So this is an exception where it's actually very, very low, 32%. They're going off and buying all sorts of other products within your brand, which is a really great story. In fact, 25% of them are buying just this other individual ASIN over here. And so this can help you with thinking about any cross-selling or upselling. This frequently gets used to measure things like if I sell a trial version of my product and somebody buys again, are they buying the full version? Are they just carrying on buying trial versions of the product over and over again? Are they just not even buying anything? So what's the conversion rate on the trial? So that's a very popular use case. Another one is just cross-selling and upselling. So if you're selling a 30-day supply of supplements or pet food or whatever it is, how many people then go and buy the 60-day version or go buy some sort of variation that's a higher capacity, higher margin, any of those sort of things? The next use case is if you're selling a bundle. So if you're a coffee brand and you're selling 5 different flavors that are bundled together and you want to measure what the next most popular purchase is, are they buying just the bundle over and over again, or are they concentrating on particular flavors? Or actually, are there some flavors that are just never bought again from that bundle as well? So they can help with sort of ASIN selection and things like that. On the right-hand side, we have frequently bought together. So this is in the same order, how many times these two products were bought together. So we've got the ASIN selected at the top here, has been bought together with this one over here 560 times. And this is useful for if they've been bought together very frequently for virtual bundles. And if you're doing, let's say, ASIN targeting on your own ASINs on the advertising side, then at least do it with something that you know is actually bought together very frequently.